YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to open this up. This is for the violin pegs in Ebony French / Parisian I4/4. So I got this out of eBay for $8.01 plus free shipping, but the tax on this is 70 cents. So the total damage is $8.71. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what it look like, and hopefully it's gonna fit the violin. There's a weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap. Quality is kind of, hopefully this is not used, but it's supposed to be brand new. Let's see if it's gonna fit in my violin. So this was the broken. Oh, nice. So it's the same, almost the same color. So this is the broken one right here. Oh, got the wrong size. Shoot. Well, unfortunately, this one is too big. Well, anyway, I will need to order a different set. I need to talk to the seller. It looks like all messed up and looks used. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.